sit really low.
Yeah, man.
Yep. In actual fact, the lower setting of this car against my car is lower. This car is lower than my car. The way it's sitting. Yeah. Seriously.
Wow.
Yep. So this
Compared
is
to a, you know, like a regular 86, it's lower than that even.
lower. The way I sit, the way I'm sitting now, right now, because I'm sitting also like almost the lowest. Yeah. It's lower than what my 86 would sit. Yeah.
So today we are at the Supra launch, the new Supra, and this is the earlier session where we get to drive the car around before the actual launch later. And with me here is who everybody wants to be, Kenneth Chew. Yeah, he'll be our instructor for today.
Yeah. Very simple course.
So what do I do, Kenneth?
Yeah, just go straight, turn left out. So basically now you're in sport mode. Sport mode means steering is slightly more weighted. Straight on. Throttle response more sharper, and the gear will hold a bit longer.
Right.
Yeah, and of course that bubble.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, without the sport mode, then the bubble won't be so significant. Yeah, straight on through the gate. Can go up to a speed about 80 plus 90, and then the first cone, brake, and then just change lane to the left. Right, anytime. Getting used to the 500 Newton meter of torque. Yep. Whoa. And slow down. Yep. Yeah. So the steering can be quite quick.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. So this slalom is medium size before the next slalom much further away. So again, get used to the steering first. Yeah. Alright, can go. Yep. Yep. Correct. Yep. Yep. So yep. Yep. So it's just getting used how the car pivots around. Yep. Yep. And then we stop on the white line. And this will be a high speed run. So you should reach a speed about 200. Maybe without me you can reach about 250. Alright, anytime, okay, go. This slalom is slightly wider already, so you can carry a bit more speed, and this will really show off the chassis, I would say, in a way. Yeah, you can start there. Okay, go. Okay, and then make a U-turn, and then an even wider slalom.
Right.
Okay, go anytime.
Number 2.
Yep. So and then stop at the line, wait for the yellow car to pass. And you can see it can be a very playful car.
It is.
And the front is very direct. Yeah. Right. So this is the final run to fast high speed all the way again to the water barrier.
Alright.
You can you can do a bit of go.
340 horse, 500 Newton.
Yep. And slow down. Yep. So what's your impression after a short test drive?
It feels very BMW, but in a very good way. Feels like a lighter BMW.
To me, in the end, doesn't matter who they partner with. If they make a good car, it's a good car. You know.
I think it's a compliment to have for it to be based on a BMW.
Yeah.
It's actually a good upgrade.
Yep. I won't deny the switch, all these controls, BMW. I like the way they did this meter over the BMW one.
Yeah.
Because it's just what I need. A
Yes.
center, something to go, you know.
Without too much information.
Yeah, not too much information. Yes, correct.
It's not the Supra we expected for sure, but it is a Supra that we need.
Yep.
Something that
Well,
we handle.
I say here's the question, right? If you want Toyota to come up with their own car or your own Supra, are you willing to pay 1 million ringgit for it?
Yeah, true.
You know?
True.
Correct? Because they have to spend the R&D on it. So now we partner with someone, they come with a good car at half the price. You know?
Why not, right?
Yeah, why not? Yeah.
Oh, good job, man, this one.
Yep.
This stuff.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, on top. Okay.
Very nice sound, man.
Yep.
Tom is back from his drive, so let's find out what he thinks about the car. Hi Tom.
Hi. You like the car?
Yeah. So, you just came back from the drive. So what do you think about the car?
I really like it. Totally not what I have expected. The fact that it is named Supra gives you a certain expectation.
Yes.
Put it all aside, look at it as a car by itself. I think it's a very special car. I think they did the interior really nicely. Although there are some BMW input here, especially the center console.
Yes, very BMW.
Yeah. But I especially like how retro this area is. Slats.
Yeah. Kind of like the Mazda 3, a little straight line.
Yeah, pretty much, yeah.
Basically, the steering and everything looks kind of BMW-ish.
It is completely almost BMW. Based on a BMW steering wheel, except the back cover. But
okay.
other than that, I think the cockpit is a good place to be in.
Alright.
Very sporty, very special. Makes you feel special for sure. Definitely not a 86 kind.
Yes.
It's a sports coupe. It's definitely a sports coupe experience here.
Yeah, and definitely more luxurious and more plush than the regular.
Definitely more plush.
Yeah.
I wouldn't call it luxurious, but it's a lot more sportier than expected.
Carbon fiber look with the piano black thing going on. Full leather, dash and seats and doors. So tell us how the car feels. What do you do out there?
Well, first I have to comment on the seating position. I really like it. It can go really low. In fact, lower than most modern cars today.
Okay.
Steering is the next best thing in this car. The wheel is good. The wheel response is even better. I like how sharp it is, how quick it is, how accurate it also is.
Right.
Through the slaloms earlier, we were going through the low speed slalom and the high speed slalom.
Right.
You can tell how high the limit of this car is or can be. As you can see, the tires are fat and big. Grip levels are really high.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can tell from the slalom. We also went on a high speed pool.
Right.
I think that was
I think
400 meters.
On the straight, on the Airstrip. Yeah.
So, is it more than 400 meters? Could be half a km, I think, at least.
Okay.
So yeah, we exceeded even 220 earlier.
Wow.
Not
So
bad.
on paper, it has a top speed of 250 km/h.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. So you went up to 230?
No, not yet, but we could have. It's just that
Okay.
we had to brake earlier, but it's fine.
Okay.
I think anywhere 220 is fast enough. It feels really stable. It feels really like sad to say a BMW, but
Okay.
in a very good way.
Yeah, it should be a good thing.
Yeah, it's a compliment.
Yeah.
Because you wouldn't expect a Japanese car or sports coupe to be, anywhere near the German kind of ambience, which this car really has.
Okay.
And I think it's a plus point. I mean, you wouldn't find this kind of experience in any other sports coupe.
Yeah.
Right? So yeah, I think they did a good job. If only they didn't name it a Supra, I think everybody would have no complaints at all.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, it seems that everybody loved the car. We spoke to other medias as well. So, what is the one thing that really stands out
No?
for this car? Like, would you would buy it just because?
The cockpit experience, for one, for sure.
For sure.
It makes you feel really special. Secondly is the power. The
Right.
inline six B58 BMW engine, twin scroll single turbo engine that is seen in the Z4 M40i. Yep, engine is good.
So it's not manual. It has a pedal shift.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's 8-speed auto,
Yes,
also from the
8-speed
BMW,
auto.
the ZF 8-speed box with the pedal shift. As usual, no complaints about the gearbox. Really smooth,
Yeah.
shift really quickly. It's just very disciplined. It's just very smooth. There is nothing terribly unique about it. It's
Right.
good gearbox.
Right.
I would prefer it would have a bit more attitude to it. Yeah, but it's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, I want to mention that it sounds great too.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Sounds really good.
Yeah.
This 3.6 turbo engine. Wow. Sounds really good. Probably sounds better than the Supra for sure. Back in the days. A few of my friends were talking about the Cayman in this car. Yeah, I think this car really drives better than the Cayman.
Right. Wow.
Yeah. It allows you to access all of it more than a Cayman can. It doesn't scare you as a Cayman would.
Right.
Might not be as fast maybe, but at least it allows you to completely, it surrenders to you completely. It allows you to make use of it. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, it's not mid-engine, it's front engine, rear wheel drive, so it's a lot more compliant. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
Talk to you later.
So there you go. Lovely car.